Hi there, my name's Ken and I'm a finance broker from Avvora, a small finance brokerage firm based in North Ryde. So I've been thinking about creating a YouTube channel just to cover some of the topics around home loans. So whether you're an owner-occupied person or looking to buy your own home or an investment property investor, I just wanted to talk a little bit about home loans, some of the information that I come across as a finance broker, and give some industry insights, as well as some of the other things like structuring your loans, what the current specials and interest rates are, and what they're doing. So in terms of the format, I'm thinking of 1 to 2 short video clips. In terms of the format, I think it may grow and evolve and change. I'm happy to receive any comments, feedbacks, or particular topics that you'd like me to cover. I'm thinking of possibly doing that once a day. First off, I guess one thing that I've come across, or the topic that I wanted just to touch on today, was an article in Business Insider Australia, and they were talking about how the credit growth had stayed steady for the month of July. Now, there has been significant changes within the investment pricing and your own occupied rates. I'm sure you've also heard of possibly the interest-only loans being capped at 30% for new businesses. So lenders really are steering away from the investment side of property in terms of security. And that kind of goes back further in terms of what the regulators are doing, and also S&P and Moody's are doing with the rating agencies. So the one thing that I wanted to mention really was in terms of this article, it highlighted there was a big change in change of purpose of loans from investment purposes to owner-occupied, and it was something around $15 billion worth of loan purposes shifting or switching to owner-occupied, where the rates are generally cheaper at this point in time. So I guess something to take away from that, if you did buy an investment property and subsequently have changed some of your lifestyle and you've moved into that property, you could possibly revisit what type of loan repayments you're making, and also the purpose of the loan. So it's something to consider, just to review and check and see where you're sitting. There could be anywhere between 50 to maybe 70 basis points in there in terms of the price or the rate that you're paying. So that's all from me today. But if you do have any comments or feedback, just drop them below and I'll get back to you. I'll see you tomorrow.